As a designer in the field of electrical control panel designing, you may need to create new symbols that is not available in the schematic symbols menu. It is possible in AutoCAD Electrical to create new symbols based on your requirements. In this section, I'm going to give the procedure to add new symbols in library. First of all, I want to draw an object and add it to the symbol library. The object that I decide to create is a kind of component as this sketch. The first step to draw it is using Draw Panel in the Home tab. To draw the rectangle part of this sketch, I'm using Rectangle tool that is located in the Home tab of Ribbon and in Draw Panel. In the command line, you will be asked to specify first corner point and after that, specify the other corner point. The next step that I'm going to use is Circle tool for placing starting and ending points. So I select the circle, then as it is mentioned in the command line, I need to specify center point of my circle. Then it is needed to define the radius of circle and finally click on the screen to draw the circle. To place the last circle, I can copy the circle and then place it here. So in the Modify panel, I choose Copy tool. Then select the circle and press Enter. In the next step, I have to specify the base point. So I click on this point. Then I can place it in my desired point. And in the last step, by pressing Escape, it will be done. This part can be done as an arbitrary part and you can draw your own sketch by your desired method. In the next step, I'm going to select Symbol Builder tool to make this sketch as my own symbol. In order to do that, in the Schematic tab of Ribbon and also in the Other Tools panel, I choose Symbol Builder tool and select Symbol dialog box will be displayed. As you see here, we have Select from Drawing, which means that you can select your desired object and make it as a symbol. I choose Select Objects button, then I have to choose the whole of my sketch. So I select every part one by one, and after doing that, by pressing Enter for the second time, the previous dialog box will be displayed. In the symbol drop-down, you can define the symbol categories such as the horizontal and vertical orientation for the symbol or define whether it is panel or schematic. Also, you can select category like child or parents, footprint nameplate or terminal. It is possible to specify the library path for your template. And also, by using Browse button, you can find and select your desired location. After specifying the desired attribute, I choose OK and the Symbol Builder editor will be shown for me. You can specify the parameters like category, tag, and manufacturer. It is possible to edit every attribute that you choose. To do that, just choose every attribute that you want to make any changes and then in the upper side, select Properties to edit attributes. For example, you can specify the size or height of tag or a style of writing. And in this part, insert your desired tag. Also, there are other attributes such as category description and so on, and you can place them in your drawing. Note that after inserting them, a green check mark will be appeared beside them. In the Wire Connection rollout, you have Direction Style drop-down that makes it possible to select your desired orientation for the wire connection. So you can choose every orientation that you want. And then choose Insert Wire Connection button. And finally, click on the point that you want to specify the wire connection. You can insert several wire connections. Choose the orientation, then select Insert Wire Connection. And then press Enter to exit the command. Also, you may need to change the size of every inserted wire connection text. In order to do that, you can just click on every text in the Pins rollout and then select the Properties button beside Pins. In this step, by editing the heights of the text area and finally choosing OK button, the size of the text will change. Now I'm going to change Symbol Builder attribute location. Therefore, I just double click on this rollout and it will be placed here. I do that to show you the Done tool here in the Symbol Builder tab. If I choose this tool, a new dialog box will be displayed. And in the Symbol Name Edit box, you can change the name of your symbol. Keep in mind this name because it will be used in the next level. Then in the base point area, you can specify the base point coordinates for the symbol. Click on the OK button and then close Block Editor dialog box will be displayed. By clicking on Yes button, it is possible to insert the newly created symbol in your drawing. If you go through the icon menu in the Schematic tab, there is no sign of the new created symbol that you have made. So, in the next section, we will learn how to add it to icon menu.